Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sliding closet door off track. First, let's prepare. You will need a few basic tools, primarily a Phillips or flathead screwdriver. It is also helpful to know if your doors hang from the top track or roll on the bottom. Always clear the space around your closet for safety and ease of movement. For heavier doors, consider asking a friend for assistance. Now let's get those doors off. Begin by loosening the screws on the top brackets with your screwdriver. You do not need to remove them entirely. Next, firmly grip the door on both sides and lift it straight up approximately 1 inch. This action should clear the bottom track. Then, tilt the bottom of the door towards you, pulling it away from the closet opening. Once free, gently lower the door to the floor. Sometimes doors can be stubborn. If your door is stuck, first check for any small anti-jump clips or hidden screws on the top track that might be holding it in place. Also, inspect for door stops, which can prevent the door from lifting. If rollers are jammed, try using a flathead screwdriver to gently nudge them free. Patience is key. Avoid forcing the door to prevent damage. Once your task is complete, reinstallation is straightforward. First, ensure both the top and bottom tracks are clean and free of debris. To reinstall, tilt the door and engage the top rollers into the upper track. Then, carefully lower the bottom of the door into its guide or track. Test the door by sliding it back and forth several times. If needed, adjust any height screws on the rollers for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.